When it comes to choosing a life mate, women and men typically have very different priorities. Every woman yearns for a man who can fulfill her hopes and dreams and make her feel special and adored. They are looking for a man who is everything they want in a partner. Whether that means being kind and caring to others, taking responsibility for his actions, or keeping them safe and secure. The primary relationship equation is surprisingly elementary. Both the guy and the woman are required to love and respect each other unconditionally. The partnership will flourish so long as this physiological requirement is met. However, there are qualities that women find attractive in a man, and we'll get into that shortly. For now, just know that you can't fake your way into a good relationship. Most males put on this act of being tough and dangerous to impress women. It could work for a couple of evenings, but she will ultimately figure it out. Once you've decided to market yourself as a service or product in a romantic relationship, you should make sure that the advertising doesn't mislead potential customers. Every once in a while, both men and women will try to sell you a little fib. You might label such interactions as manipulative. Why wouldn't they collapse at some point? Due to the fact that they'd fall short of balancing the equation of a healthy partnership. Here are 7 characteristics of males that women find most appealing. Number 1. How the man presents himself in terms of his attire. How well you present yourself to women is crucial. After spending the day in sweats and a t-shirt, putting on a suit and going out will garner you far more favorable attention and respect than the day you spent in jeans and a t-shirt. Of course, when wearing the outfit, you should only act in such a way as is warranted by the circumstances. Trying to impress people by donning a suit at the fitness center would just make you look foolish. It's preferable to be somewhat overdressed rather than terribly underdressed. Don't underestimate the importance of fashion and style for a woman. Number 2. Personal hygiene and appearance. Self-respect is communicated by a person's level of personal grooming. You may forget about getting any female attention if you often go around reeking of body odor. Just by making an attempt to smell pleasant, you're showing that you care. The simplicity of it draws attention. You will be more successful in gaining the esteem you deserve if you dress in impeccable style. Combining the right fragrance with other self-improvement measures like getting a haircut, brushing your teeth, and taking care of your skin will boost more than just your appearance. It's just a sign that you value yourself as a guy enough to take care of yourself. Number 3. Recognizing the value of women. There's a common misunderstanding in the red pill community that you have to treat women horribly in order to earn their respect and admiration. Really, that is the furthest thing from the truth. This is because the types of women most red pill instructors find desirable are themselves fundamentally flawed. Women's self-esteem is consistently smashed as they are handed from one man to the next. But a good woman who will love you as a spouse and is not damaged on the inside will always value a man who can make her feel cherished. Why? Because she isn't just looking for a one-night stand like the other girl. She is looking for a long-term relationship and is ready to make a commitment herself. How could you not want a man to love your mother, younger sister, or any close relative? As a result, it goes without saying that you should be a gentleman, complete with cool composure, while you are in the company of genuine, valuable women. Don't give in to anxiety and lose your composure. Number 4. Readiness to take in information. Women are more likely to be attracted to intellectual males. A literate man can carry on a meaningful discussion with anyone. It shows that you are patient and open to new information if you listen to what she has to say, even if you aren't interested in hearing about the drama at her workplace. Respect for the man and love for the woman are the cornerstones of any healthy relationship, as we stated at the outset of the video. One of the simplest ways to make a girl feel loved is to listen to what she has to say. Number 5. Ladies adore a guy who isn't intimidated by them. When they're near a woman, most men freeze up. They seem paralyzed by their own attractiveness, as if even the use of their legs is a struggle. In most social situations, demonstrating that you are not afraid of women is essential. Some ladies would rather have you ignore their attractiveness and strength. Keep in mind that their appearance is merely an illusion. Even the most stunningly gorgeous woman will forget she is stunning once you treat her like any other human being. If you feel uncomfortable approaching or conversing with women, you are likely to withdraw and avoid them. Try not to bolt at the first sight of peril. Keep in mind that women like men who can protect and provide for them. They hope you will give them that sense of security. They need reassurance that you can maintain composure under pressure. In other words, don't act weak when you are around women. Even if you feel unsure of yourself, you should never come across as insecure or needy. Develop some swagger and assure your lady that she can count on you. Keep your head up, shoulders back, and grin widely to show that you're at ease. Communication with females differs greatly from that with males. The atmosphere should be light and fun. When conversing with a lady, it's best to focus on the here and now, communicate gently, and avoid trying to rush things. That's how you assert your dominance over yourself and refuse to be awed by her charms. Number 6. A sympathetic individual. Girls value being cared for above everything else when choosing a partner. Women, like everyone else, appreciate having friends who will look out for them when times go rough. They must realize whether or not you value them, and whether or not you are using them for physical intimacy, political, or social gain. Once a woman suspects that you only care about her for her body, the relationship is doomed. The ideal man for a woman is one who will be there for her no matter what, and who will reassure her that she does not have to face her difficulties alone. The ability of a guy to be a good father is the standard by which all good and ladylike women evaluate men. This highlights the significance of being able to express empathy. Men who want to start a family and offer to raise their children are highly regarded by women. Avoid listening for an opportunity to retort, and instead focus on making an emotional connection. Give them your entire attention and put down your phone. If you're already seeing a woman, you should be sensitive to her feelings, supportive of her goals, and interested in the things that she enjoys doing to show her that she's important to you. Don't go overboard in your attempts to please her, but do treat her with the same degree of deference that you'd like to be shown to you. And lastly, number 7. A powerful man. Women are attracted to masculine individuals who are robust in all facets of their being. Ultimately, it's a matter of the male and female polarities. Similar things drive each other crazy. Physically strong males tend to draw more female attention. You don't need to be a bodybuilder to be deserving of love and a wonderful relationship, nor do you need to appear like a Greek god. To put it plainly, it means to not be a wimp. If you can't physically keep other men away from the woman you were dating, you're not worth it. And if ladies can rest easy knowing they can take care of themselves physically, all the better. To tell the truth, physical strength is a major factor in physical intimacy. Think about the most common female fantasies. They all involve controlling some kind of primal force. During the courtship phase, mental and emotional fortitude are just as important as physical fitness. Women will see that you are not easily rattled by this display of strength. How can she trust you to take care of her if you can't even keep your own emotions in check? Men who can keep their minds in gear are seen as more attractive by women. Not being easily manipulated or controlled indicates that you don't allow your emotions to get the best of you. Remember to show your appreciation for the algorithm by hitting the like and subscribe buttons.